Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to unhide apps in your phone settings. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Scroll down, press on security. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option of privacy and app encryption. Press on this. Enter your password. Now press on app hiding. From here you can unhide your apps. You just have to turn off the button. That's it. So this is how to unhide apps in your phone settings. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.